just to get started, what is something that you hold very dearly and personal from your past to your heart?
Brio Train Set.
A Brio Train Set. Thank you very much.
You missed him. You missed him. You gotta wind up if you want to hit him. All right. You gotta wind up. You gotta aim. Take.
I'm not gonna get this.
Broke it. Broke it. There we go.
I'm not talented. This isn't my thing. I have other things.
Yeah, babe.
Between the two of you, I see one of you exerting a lot of effort. I see one of you trying really hard. You're winded. You're sweating. You are virtually on the verge of passing out. And then I feel like you haven't broken a sweat. I feel like there's a real effort lacking.
And that's a metaphor for our relationship. Thank you. I get it. I get it.
So, your father will be standing over here again. Now, hit me with it this time. Hit him with it. And you gotta want it. And your father-in-law is breathing down your neck. Kurt, when's the garage gonna get painted? Kurt. All right, let's try it again.
Okay.
I'm not a violent person, and what? Did you think I wasn't gonna do it?
No,
I don't understand.
I mean, we've been here for
didn't do it
50 minutes, and that's the first time I felt like you even tried.
Well,
so,
it's not. It doesn't make sense.
How do you feel now?
I feel angry.
Great.
Is that what you want?
Great. Yes. My knees are real busted up from all Kurt's chair throwing from earlier.
Thank you.
So
Great. I threw the chair.
great.
Are
Now,
you happy, Kurt?
No. That's why we're here.
I just want to remind you both that violence is not the don't use violence. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. This is just to get the juices flowing.
I just want respect.
There we go.
Okay, there it is.
There we go.
There it is.
Right.
You know, and when I'm asking you to do things,
Uh-huh.
it's not that I think you need to work. It's that, well, you do need to work. I mean, you sit around all day.
Whoa, work. Okay, day trading is not just.
Oh yeah, throwing away precious hard-earned money that your family has given to you as gifts, as donations.
Right. Yeah. Threaten him. Let him know it can come down on him at any time. Kurt, look her in the eyes. Don't look at the chair, Kurt. Look at her.
I'm looking at her. I'm seeing a coward.
Okay, how do those words make you feel? Coward. Does a coward clutch a chair?
Right? Right? She's laughing. She's laughing.
I need these cigarette breaks, man. I need them.
Well, you can't have them. You can't go out and have a cigarette. You gotta stay here in the kitchen.
I'll smoke it right here.
It's fine with me. Fine with me.
Fucking table 4 is riding my ass.
Table 4 is full of motherfuckers.
I got man Keith.
You got man keys?
Keith, man, you, man.
I thought you mispronounced man cave. That's a cool way to pronounce
Man
it.
Keith, you're cool demeanor, man. I don't know how you keep it together.
But I'll tell you what. I'm a veteran. It's a huge part of that. The main part. You're high strong.
Yeah, man.
You're upset all
I can't. As soon as I'm 18, though, I'm veteran. You just wait. I've already signed up.
signed up.
Well, when I turn 18, I'm fucking going to be a veteran, man. Got a gym membership.
You got a gym membership now, so you're going to get in shape to be a veteran?
Yeah.
What war are you going to be a veteran of? That's a question you got to ask yourself.
Whatever we're doing, I'm in, man.
Whatever we're doing. Yeah, come on in.
What's up, Donnie?
Sorry, table 4 keeps asking for their new eggs.
New eggs.
Tell him I'm working on it. He doesn't. Donnie, come back in here.
Donnie!
Donnie, get him back in here for a second. Donald?
He's in the bathroom again.
He just goes from here to the goddamn bathroom. You know, I'm going to turn on this grill because just pushing these eggs around is not, not helping at all.
So, hey, you would kill me, buddy?
Oh, yeah. First thing I did.
Right? What?
First thing I did when I got to Vietnam was I shot a man right in the chest.
No way. I can't wait till I'm 18, man.
Oh, it's good. Moving truck. He was in a moving truck, and I was standing on the side of the road.
Where was this?
I want to say this is
The eggs keep pushing.
oh shit,
Where was this?
like 72nd and Columbus.
What?
On the west side. Yeah, couldn't believe it.
What?
Couldn't believe my luck.
Did you kill anybody at war is what I meant when I...
Oh no.
Get out of the road, buddy.
Oh, he's gone.
All right.
Sorry, what'd you say?
Hey, get out. I was saying.
I was off the side of the road already.
Yeah.
You're not driving, are you?
What are you in? What company are you in? I'm gonna tell your commanding officer. We got an asshole on the street.
Oh, I see
We're
what's
trying to
going on.
move,
I
buddy.
understand what's going on here. Let me get my friend. He talks different than me. I'll be right back. You guys stay here in this moving truck.
Does he speak English?
We'll find out together.
Is he
all
polite?
right? I don't know.
We're gonna be late again.
You guys sit in this moving truck.
Ah, see? We had about 15 seconds. We could have gone through.
I don't understand why you gave a one specific time frame to pick up our new keys.
Call ahead. Call him and say we're gonna be late. I'd like to see what he says to you, because he gave me hell when I didn't.
Yellow.
Yes, hello. I'm like I'd
Who's
like
this?
well,
Put on speaker.
my name's Harris. Me and my husband are coming to the house to get the keys so we can move in.
Oh, are you here for the convention?
No. Bernice?
At least see the
Yeah?
convention.
What? I don't. What convention?
The housing convention.
I don't want to do another scene.
Okay, first of all, tell her to be late, and secondly, to curb the. No.
Who's this?
Placator.
Harrison Bob. Bernice, we're moving into your house. You're gonna give us the keys?
Let me get my husband. Yellow.
Hey, Todd.
Who that? Harrison?
Yeah,
Harris.
it's Harris. We're gonna be a little late getting the keys, I think.
Bernice.
But Bob's interested in the.
Bernice.
Another train crossing. Ding 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 ding. Vietnam, I hate you.
Not his fault. Sorry about that. No. I'm doing that all night.
We like to have fun. I got a young one myself.
Oh, no.
4.
Sorry?
4.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure about that?
Yes. I'm sure about my child's age.
I basically the main issue I have
There's my little rat scallion. Is it rapscallion or rat scallion? I'm
is
calling
I
it
think
both.
it's a rap scallion. I don't know. So this is my issue. I am terrified of the nighttime. Okay, Serena, could you please not poke my therapist, okay?
Daddy needs some rest. I got your back.
Earlier this year, I thought I saw a ghost in my bedroom, and gosh, that was super scary.
You've never talked about this before, right? Can you describe the apparition?
Yes.
Is it apparition or apparition?
It's apparition.
Apparition. I call them both.
Okay. I'm trying to be more free, so I'm fine with that.
Where'd you guys get costumes? Where'd you two get costumes?
Milady, would you like some tea?
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
We've been working on a Cockney accent. It's not there yet, but we're
Yeah.
getting there. Very good curtsy, sweetheart. She's gonna be 16 next month.
They got a show.
You have a girlfriend?
I do now.
I'm a lesbian.
Oh, me too.
What's your name?
My name is Max with 2 X's. What's your name?
Serena.
How
That's
many?
my tea hat.
Ah, top of the tea
Tea
hat.
morning.
Morning.
Boop, 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 boop,
Could you see all the way through it?
I could see all the way through it, but I could see the outline, and it was kind of a bluish, whitish kind of thing. I don't know, I'm scared of this.
Has your child seen it? The ghost?
Well, yes. That's another, it's one of the reasons I brought it. I think we both have seen it and it's expressed my heart.
Well, this worries me now. As far as
I can't, it's weird, I can't see people's legs like that, I'm sorry. That's good. I don't think it's good for your back.
listen, please don't touch me. Please don't touch me. There's rules in this room that we have to apply. Please don't touch my legs. Please don't touch me.
I'm trying to be free.
I'm trying to help you.
Okay, thank you.
You're closing off again.
So yeah, it's constant struggles.
So you want me to fire your patients?
Ouch. I want him out. I can't do it myself. I can't do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna have him come in here, okay?
Hey, Dad! Walk like an Egyptian.
Hey, Scooter. How'd Scooter get a shiner?
I hit him. I was in one of my tantrums and I hit him.
We'll talk about that after you fire my patient.
Is he here?
Gone.
Okay, well, when he gets here, I'll fire him, I guess. Can I get, like, some sort of discount?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, well, what do we talk about while we wait?
I'd like to talk about him for a little bit.
Okay, okay.
Reason-
How long have you had him as a patient?
My whole life. He was my first patient. We really clicked, but he's gone now. He's seen ghosts, and I can't help him with that. The reason I know I can't help him is because his kid's seen it too. If it was just him seeing it, I could work on it, but
You don't have a connection with children?
with ghosts, I'm not good with ghosts.
Oh, okay. You need to go to a haunted?
What the hell are you doing in my house?
Hi. Hi. I'm Dr.
Honey? Honey, where are you?
I'm Dr. Winfield. This might be the issue. I'm not a therapist. I'm an actual medical doctor, but
Therapists or medical doctors?
I work in medicine.
No, they go through the whole, they go to medical school.
I don't want to have this conversation. Okay, fine, they're doctors.
You're accusing therapists of not being doctors every day?
Look, you're done. You're done at Mr. Headroom's, Dr. Headroom's office.
Honey, stay back! There's a strange man who doesn't believe therapists
Hello.
go to medical school here.
No, I don't know why we got off on the wrong foot. Hi.
You're almost 16.
That's a fun. So, I'm sorry, but you're fired from being a patient at Dr. Headroom.
Dr. Headroom is firing me for being a patient.
There we go. All right. See ya. Thanks.
That leads out to our pool.
Yes.
I'm all wet.
I'll just stay in here alone then.
Are you alone then?
Oh my god! It's the apparition.
Or am I an apparition?
I don't know. Are you? I don't know. What do you want from my family?
No!